Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Evernote's top 3 features that make this app fantastic. Number 1 is the Webclipper. The Webclipper is an extension for your browser. You can capture images, select text, as well as entire web pages. Number 2 is Evernote's collaboration tools. You can create shared notebooks with your team. Evernote also has the ability to share a link to a note as well as an actual copy of a note to someone. Number 3 is my favorite Evernote feature, which is the ability to encrypt text. You simply highlight the text that you want to encrypt, as you see on the left side of the screen. You right-click on your mouse and select Encrypt Selected Text, then select a password. After you've done this, next time you open up Evernote, it's going to look like that on the screen. This feature is designed to ensure that sensitive information you store in the app is protected against unauthorized access. To sum it all up, Evernote is a great note-taking app, and I give it a solid 4.5 stars. If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to see more reviews of productivity apps, please smash that subscribe button.